Dear friends, now we will talk about one of the important topics from manufacturing environment perspective. The topic is different planning strategies in manufacturing environment. Since we all know that right planning strategies helps an organization to have the right product at right place in the right quantity and at the right time. So there are several planning strategies for an organization based on different product natures. However, most commonly there are four strategies which are oftenly used. Now we will discuss on all these four strategies which are named as make to stock or MTS, assemble to order or ATO, make to order or MTO, and last one is engineer to order or it is also called as ETO. Now let's talk about first strategy, that is make to stock. In make to stock environment, finished goods are built in advance and stored even before customer order is received. Usually in such environment of pre-manufacturing production, production plans are based upon sales forecast or historical demand. Make to stock is usually associated with industrial revolution of mass production techniques where significant quantities of finished goods are produced and stocked in stores or warehouses in anticipation of future demand. Make to stock is frequently considered as an appropriate solution for high volume products where the demand is very well known or easily predicted. And simple example of MTS can be packet of bread, packet of milk or packet of salt which is readily available in the grocery store even before they have a customer's order received. Now let's talk about our next environment, which is assemble to order. In assemble to order production environment, the product is built based on customer specification from available raw material or stock of existing components. In such environments, usually there are pre-fixed set of finished goods from which customers must choose. So simply assemble to order products are products where raw components are usually held in stock and finished goods are assembled only after a order from customer is received. The best example of assemble to order can be personal computers, where a computer shop keeps the stock of motherboards, graphics card, processor, CPU, monitors and keyboards, and they assemble these all components only when customer's order or customer's requirement is received. Our next approach is make to order or MTO. Make to order is also referred as build to order. MTO is a production approach where once confirmed customer order for a particular product is received, then only raw materials are purchased and finished goods are built. This approach is considered good for highly configured products like computer servers or aircrafts. In make to order approach, usually holding inventories is very expensive. That means raw material buying, manufacturing and assembly starts only after committed order is received from the customer. So another example of make to order can be a furniture at your home. So when you have to make a furniture, then there has to a proper size of furniture and requirement specified so that furniture's raw material can be procured and it can be built. Our last approach is engineer to order. Engineer to order approach is an environment where after an order is received from customer, design of product is done. Based on that design and its approval from customer, actual purchasing of raw materials and production or assembly of final product is done. Usually this approach is most common for large projects like construction projects or building flyover or commercial buildings or especially heavy engineering industries. So simply this approach of engineer to order is a complex structure and customer specified projects which were usually never built before and it is impossible to handle them with standard variations. So simply we have seen that make to stock is a standard product made to forecast before any committed order is received from the customer. Make to order is a standard product which is not held in inventory and it is made only after committed order is received from the customer. Assemble to order is a standard product where raw material components are held in a stock and finished product is built or assembled only after customer order is received. And finally, engineer to order is a complex structures where customer specified projects are considered, and those were usually never built in the past, and these are built based on the design and its approval with the customer. Now let's see brief comparison of all these four strategies. So first one is what we are stocking. Now in make to stock, we stock finished goods directly. In assemble to order, we keep stock of subcomponents or subassemblies or raw materials. In make to order, we neither keep stock of finished goods or subassemblies or subcomponents. Same in the engineer to order, we don't keep any stock of finished goods or even subcomponents or subassemblies. Now as far as design of a product is concerned, there is no design done for make to stock because engineering is already complete for such products, and such products are usually standard products in the market. In assemble to order, engineering is already complete, but configuration may be different according to the design specification of the customers. In make to order, same situation is there. Engineering is already complete, but configurations may need design specifications. However, in engineer to order, one will have to start from the scratch, and design and engineering is required as a first step of development of a product. As far as delivery is concerned, make to stock delivery is possible on same or even next day because finished good is stocked in the warehouse or stores. In assemble to order, delivery is possible as per as the capacity of the company is concerned. Same in the make to order, delivery is possible as per the capacity of the company, and in engineer to order also delivery is possible as per the capacity of the company. Now let's talk about different delivery lead times in all these planning strategies. So in make to stock, we all know that the inventory of finished good is already on stock, and thus it is only matter of shipping the finished good to the customer. So deliveries are very fast. In assemble to order, inventory of raw material or sub-assemblies is already in stock, but the assembly or manufacturing starts only after getting a customer order. So it creates finished goods and then shipping it to the customer. So delivery lead times are little more compared to the make to stock. In make to order, purchasing of raw material starts only after getting customer order. Once that purchasing is done, it is then stocked or it is then kept in the warehouse, and then it is used for assembly or manufacturing purpose, and then the stock of finished goods gets ready, which is then shipped to the customer. So the delivery lead times are little more in make to order as compared to assemble to order and even make to stock. In engineer to order, one will have to start with basic design of entire product or entire project, and then only purchasing of raw material, storing raw material, assembling or manufacturing finished goods, then creating finished good and shipping it to the customer is done. So in engineer to order, delivery lead times are on a higher side as compared to all other strategies.